Woundclot Veterinary is a new generation of haemostatic dressing which is more versatile and ideal for all types of bleeding on any animal. Woundclot is designed using state-of-the-art technology to rapidly control severe bleeding, making it a lifesaver in critical situations. It's made from cellulose, a natural compound that's both safe and non-toxic. This means it can be used without fearing adverse reactions or complications. Woundclot can be used inside the mouth or nose to safely stop bleeding, unlike any other product. Woundclot is straightforward to apply and does not require any particular training. It's designed for easy handling and application, making it suitable for all types of uses, from veterinary professionals to pet owners in an emergency. It controls bleeding effectively, allowing for quicker clotting and minimizing blood loss. This can help reduce the risk of shock and other complications. Woundclot uniquely adheres to the wound even in challenging conditions, thus providing consistent bleeding control. It's a dynamic solution that adapts to the wound's needs. Unlike other methods of controlling bleeding, Woundclot is non-invasive, making it a less stressful solution for animals. Woundclot can be removed with water or saline, providing an effective and painless removal process. It's ideal for various settings, including surgical and first aid. It's designed to preserve tissue integrity, promoting better healing outcomes and minimizing scarring. Considering its ability to stop bleeding and potentially save lives, Woundclot Veterinary is a cost-effective solution, potentially reducing vet stays, additional intervention, and is a must-have for all pet first aid kits.